Hello, our kitty can draw friend. Today we're drawing an elf girl. Just don't let her cast any art spells. Let's start. First, draw a half circle for the top of the head and make it slightly tilted. Draw a small half circle on each side for the ears. Join them at the bottom with another half circle to complete the face outline. Just make the chin a little bit lower. Draw two curved lines coming down from the top center part of the head for the bangs. Draw a half circle for the eye with a couple of eyelashes. Make the same step for the other eye. Draw a small line over each eye for the eyebrows. Draw an oval shape for the nose and a half circle for the mouth. Draw a wavy line coming up from the left ear that looks like the mirror image of the letter S. Draw a long curved line coming up from the right ear to join the first line. Then draw a circle at the end to finish the elf hat. For the braid, draw the bottom part of the heart shape and repeat it right under it. Then make a curved line in the middle of each. Then draw two curved lines coming down from the braid and join them with an upside down letter V. For the bow, draw two raindrop shapes, join at the pointy end. Then two lines coming down from it. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other braid. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw two lines coming down from the bottom of the face for the neck and join them at the bottom with a curved line. Draw a line coming out from each side of the neck. Then join them to the bottom of the neck with two half circles for the collar. Draw a tiny line coming out from each side, then a line coming down from each side for the sides of the body. Connect them together at the bottom with a curved line. For the left arm, draw a letter V facing sideways, coming down from the shoulder, and make a similar one next to it. Connect them together at the end with a curved line, then make a half circle for the hand, and join it to the arm with a tiny curve. For the right arm, draw a letter V coming down from the shoulder, and a similar one under it. Connect them at the end with a curved line. Draw the hand by drawing an upside down letter U and the smaller one joined to it for the thumb. For the skirt, draw a curved line coming down from the waist and the similar one on the other side, intersecting the left hand. Connect them together at the bottom with a wavy line to finish the skirt. For the leg, draw two long lines coming down from the skirt and join them together at the bottom with a curved line. For the shoe, draw a line coming down from the right side, join to half a square, make a half circle from the left side of the leg, connect it to the heel with another similar one. Repeat the same step on the other side for the other leg and shoe. Decorate the socks with some stripes. Elf adorable! Now you can draw a cute elf girl. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.